Hello, this is Alice with SML1. I would welcome you to my work of statistical machine learning, which was the first assignment. We had two questions. The first one, we had the question about the data we were given. This data was containing by 225 rows and 2 columns, which was x and y by columns, and x was independent variable and this y was independent variable. The first thing we did here was just to upload, to load the necessary libraries for dealing with this question. Hence, this question was about the advanced regression, statistical regression. So the first thing, we just uploaded data, and this data was of size of 225, as I said above. And the second thing was just the scatter plot, which was just showing relationship between this x and y. This scatter plots is the one that even gives us the best degree of the function to use in this question, which was the polynomial of degree 8. And this data, we saw that it's regression, hence the data was continuous. The y was continuous, so we decided that this data set was regression. And the next part was about the theoretical parts. I think we cannot deal with them in this video, hence we don't have enough time. I can go to the third part, which was about cross-validation, and this was containing about optimal and compressed and simplest. For this, we get the graph which represented that this cross-validation represented that cross-validation versus empirical risk. We saw that the best polynomial where we have the less error was 8, as I said before. And the next thing was just the plot of optimal and complex, optimal and simple. And we have seen that at least optimal is, for this degree, can try to capture all the data. Don't have again much to talk about this, hence the additional information are in this file. We have another text error for the simplest, optimal and complex. For this test error, we saw that the test errors for simplest is higher than that of optimal and complex, as shown by graph. For this question, I think we are mainly with the things of confidence and prediction band. For this confidence and prediction band was just to show us how this confidence and prediction behave. Enough information are containing in this file. I think we can go to the exercise 2. This exercise 2 was about the SPAM dataset. This dataset in R was just to load the library for it and then get the dataset. This dataset contains non-spam and spam, and this is classification, of course. To this, the distribution of spam and non-spam is represented by box plots, and the more comment of it addition to this file. And in this question we deal with 4 machines: LDA, UDA, knife, and the FLDA. The behavior of these 4 machines are represented by box plots, and these box plots represent that these 4 machines, 2 of them which are UDA and the FLD has the same similarity, while this SML1 has the highest test error, and it represents that this RLDA and FLD has similarity, while this SML bias represent the highest test error. Hence the time is over. I would like to say thank you so much. I think we can continue later to work on this. Thank you.